Why does your scanner show the P0231 engine code? What does it mean? P0231 is a diagnostic trouble code for fuel pump secondary circuit low. It indicates the PCM is detecting a problem with the voltage signal to the fuel pump, potentially causing issues with fuel delivery and engine performance. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty fuel pump relay, damaged wiring harness, defective feedback circuit, inertia switch. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error occurs in OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially those manufactured since 1996. It is commonly found in Ford, Nissan, Jaguar, Chevy, and Toyota. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.